Hi, Angel Gabu. Can I speak to God? Okay, thank you. Oh, you are from Kenya, right? Yeah, I am from Kenya.
God have mercy upon us.
I've been sent by Kenyans to apologize something. No, get it this way. Did I tell you to do anything? I've been sent by Kenyans to apologize. No, get it this way. For now, it is too late. I won't accept any apology from Kenyans. Right? Okay?